Hello students, I am Dr. Saraswati Agrawal, Associate Professor in Chemistry, GDV Government Girls College, कोटा। बच्चों हम लोग ऑर्गेनोमेटेलिक कंपाउंड्स के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं। ऑर्गेनोमेटेलिक कंपाउंड्स are those compounds in which a metal atom is attached with carbon atom or a bond between metal and carbon is present. Now we will discuss the organomagnesium compounds. Organomagnesium compounds are known as Grignard reagents after the name of this discoverer Victor Grignard in 1900, who introduced these are versatile synthetic reagents in organic chemistry. So the compounds of organomagnesium are the too much important compounds. So we can prepare or discuss the preparation of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is generally prepared by reaction between magnesium and alkyl halide when dry alcohol is used or free ether. The Grignard reagent is not isolated. Its ethereal solution is generally used in all reactions because we have the ethereal solution. Other solvents beside ether may be used. For example, tertiary amines, tetrahydrofuran, and the dimethyl ether of ethylene glycol. So the group R may be alkyl, aryl, alkenyl. Although alkenyl halides requires special conditions. Amongst the halides, the order of reactivity is iodide is more than bromide is more than chloride is more than fluoride. So the organomagnesium fluorides have not been prepared. It has also been found that the formation of a Grignard reagent becomes increasingly difficult as the number of carbon atom in the alkyl group increases. For example, the ease of formation is alkyl halide, ethyl halide, propyl halide. Since tertiary alkyl iodides readily eliminate hydrogen iodide with the formation of an alkene, tertiary alkyl chloride are used. Alkyl halides are react readily die in diethyl ether, but since they are also react readily with Grignard reagents, it is important to keep the conditions of the halide to a minimum in the presence of the Grignard reagent. This is done by the slow addition of a dilute solution of the halide to a large excess of a vigorously stirred suspension of magnesium in ether. When vinyl halide do not react in the directly ether but react in tetrahydrofuran at temperature than that used in alkyl or aryl halides and takes longer time. Students, by the other methods we can prepare the Grignard reagents. Other methods like when metal hydrogen exchange reaction is very useful for the preparation of Grignard reagents. They may be derived from relatively acidic hydrocarbons. Alkaline, alkynyl Grignards are normally prepared by this method. So in the reaction, we will see that the C6H5C CH when react with C2H5 MgBr, and we will get the C6H5C CMgBr and ethane. Similarly, from the other acidic hydrocarbons such as cyclopentadiene in corresponding Grignard reagent is obtained. Acetylene itself affords a di-Grignard reagent, and whereas the mono-Grignard reagent has been prepared by the slow addition of ethyl magnesium bromide in tetrahydrofuran 2, which is kept saturated with acetylene, and we will get the Grignard reagent. Now we will discuss the constitution of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents are generally used presented represented by the simple formula RMGX, but their structure is much more complex and it is not yet completely resolved. They cannot they contain ether probably bound by coordination to the magnesium and may be associated an equilibrium of the type, and we will discuss the this type of reaction. This reaction has been postulated as existing in ethereal solution. Each molecule of Grignard reagent coordinates with one molecule of ether and the halogen atom of the molecule coordinates with the magnesium atom of another molecule. For example, monomer, which is represented in figure 1, and the dimer is represented in figure 2. So it its dimer is in that second figure. Crystalline Grignard reagent have been isolated from ether as dietherates, and X-ray analysis has shown that the four groups are arranged tetrahedrally about the magnesium. So it is present as a dimer. Now we will discuss the reactions of the Grignard reagent or the reactivity of the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent are very strong bases. They react with any compounds that has a hydrogen attached to an electronegative atom such as oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur. Thus all OH and NH containing compounds react by replacement of hydrogen. And in this reaction, Grignard reagents may be regards as polar compound which are source of nucleophilic carbene ions, which is the R minus, and thus attack an unsaturated carbon, especially the carbon of a carbonyl group. In this reaction, we will see that the in carrying out of a chemical reaction with Grignard reagent, it is used usually to add the other reactant slowly to the Grignard solution or vice versa, and after a short time decompose the magnesium complex with water, dilute acid or aqueous ammonium chloride, and the yields are usually good. And Grignard reagents are so reactive that they undergo reactions which most of the functional group, and thus these are versatile reagent for carrying out various syntheses. So the Grignard reagent or compounds of nitrogen are versatile reagent. Now we will discuss the synthetic use of Grignard reagent, and Grignard reagent used in the many of synthesis of organic compounds. For example, formation of carbon-carbon bonds. The reactions of Grignard reagent are at carbon atom in various environment are classified here with reference to the type of compound which is obtained. So first we will discuss the hydrocarbons. Mechanism in that cases are the फर्स्ट इज बाय न्यूक्लियोफिलिक डिस्प्लेसमेंट। न्यूक्लियोफिलिक डिस्प्लेसमेंट्स में बच्चों हम देखते हैं कि न्यूक्लियोफाइल का चेंज होता है। सो द गिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट रिएक्ट विद एल्काइल हैलाइड्स कंटेनिंग ए रिएक्टिव हेलोजन एटम प्रोबेबली बाय SN2 रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म। SN2 रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म्स में बच्चों दो रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स उस रिएक्शंस में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। एक कंपाउंड का न्यूक्लियोफाइल निकलता है और दूसरे कंपाउंड में जुड़ता है। द रिएक्शन विद सैचुरेटेड हैलाइड्स इज स्लो एंड यील्ड इज पुअर, बट विद एलाइल, टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल एंड बेंजाइल हैलाइड्स the yield is very good, and since these are more reactive than alkyl halides and reaction mechanism is SN2 type of reaction. For better yield of the desired hydrocarbon are obtained if alkyl sulfates or the sulfonates are used instead of the halides. A ratio of two molecules of ester to one of Grignard reagent is recommended. For example, propyl benzene is obtained in 70 to 75% yield from benzyl chloride and diethyl sulfate. So we will get this type of synthesis, or by reaction with compounds containing active hydrogen atoms. When reaction is carried out where active hydrogen atom is present, we can see in these reactions Grignard reagents when treated with compounds containing active hydrogen such as alcohols, thiols, amines, L or the triple bonded carbon, carboxylic acids, etc. from hydrocarbons. The yield of the hydrocarbon is quantitative, and thus this reaction is the basis of Jetvinov method for the estimation of active hydrogen, and this method is used for the estimation of active hydrogen, and the product is treated with excess methyl magnesium iodide, and the volume of methane liberated is measured, and this method is used. Grignard reagent being strong carbon base react even with water, which is considered as a very weak acids. Similarly, alcohols, when reactions with alcohols, the Grignard reagent is also used. In alcohols, when we discuss the alcohols, then the type of mechanism in this is nucleophilic addition to carbonyl compounds. Students, when we discuss the reactions of Grignard reagent with carbonyl compounds, Grignard reagents add to aldehyde or ketones and form secondary or tertiary alcohols after the hydrolysis of reaction product. Primary alcohols are formed from formaldehyde, and esters react in two stages. Firstly, by addition to the carbonyl group, followed by splitting out of compound, and then the ketone thus formed react further to form the tertiary alcohols. When R is equals to H, or the formic esters yield the secondary alcohols. In this reaction we will get the secondary alcohols. And similarly, when acid chlorides and anhydrides react in a similar manner to give the corresponding tertiary alcohols. So by these methods or the use of Grignard reagent, we can get the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So when we discuss the mechanism of the compound, these reactions, in this mechanism, rate controlling step. In this we see that the rate controlling step mechanism in that case are the, we can see that rate controlling step, the Grignard reagent coordinates with the ketones on the simultaneous displacement of an ether molecule to the solvent, and this is followed by rapid reaction with this second moment and Grignard reagent to form alcohols and both these organometallic compounds. Likewise, these reaction, recent years, the reaction of Grignard reagent with the atomic ketones proceed via a single electron transfer reaction, and the mechanism is formulated below. Thank you.